Hi guys. So I wanted to actually start off some quick, like very mini sort of, card readings like energy checks or daily messages or something like that on the channel. I find that it also it keeps me interested, and what they say, that our attention spans are not that much, so longer videos might not catch your attention for a very long period of time. I will of course continue to post the longer videos, but I just wanted to do a quick short, like a daily message thing today. And I will be doing that, maybe love energy check-ins, love energy updates, daily messages, random spirit guidance, stuff like that, short readings. So it's going to be, this one is going to be a short reading, okay? And let's see what comes up. I'm going to be shuffling on camera itself right now, so that you see. So what does spirit want to tell us today quickly? Okay, so the two cards that have fallen out are Triumphant, Success, and Shadow. All right, so I'm seeing with this that a lot of you might be going through some sort of shadow work at this time. I'm seeing that, however, you're holding strong here, okay? You are holding strong. You are facing your fears, you're facing your shadows, but there's intense shadow work going on right now. And you are going to emerge out of it with a lot of success, okay? I'm seeing that you're going to get some sort of clarity here, some sort of, some epiphany, some clarity, some breakthrough is coming, which is going to make you feel very triumphant, victorious. It is also going to cut out the darkness and bring in the light, is what I'm hearing. You are told to hold strong, okay? Do not give up at this time, because maybe the negative energies might try to pull you down a lot, and you need to be like a warrior at this time and continue to purge. I think there's a lot of purging going on a collective level here, which is why I'm getting these cards. But you will come through it. Maybe I would say in the next 1 week is what I'm getting, because this is the number one. There's going to be some clarity about some situations in your life. You are going to start feeling a little more clearer, in life. And I'm also seeing some sort of breakthrough. Okay, so now let's see what else does Spirit want to give us today. Okay, we have patience, rest and rejuvenate, and deception and envy. Right, yeah, like I was saying, this shadow work that you're going through might put you in the energy of being kind of, comparing yourself to, other people, or comparing life circumstances, something like that. You might be feeling envious of some people. You might be having other people feeling envious of you. I mean, there is that energy of, I just feel that, this is whatever negative energies you are going to be feeling is because of this shadow work. All right, guys, it's because of the shadow work. It is making you think in a very different direction, and it is not it's not something that is you, okay? This is your mask thinking. So if any of you are in those energies of feeling like, are you the only one going through this? Everybody else is happy, why am I not happy? This is just your shadows speaking, okay? Your fear, your mindset, okay? At this time, you need a lot of rest and rejuvenation, okay? Meditation. I'm seeing this person also asking Spirit, perhaps in meditation, for answers. And then I'm seeing patience here, okay? So you guys need to be patient with yourself at this time. Rest, rejuvenate, hydrate, meditate. Okay, I'm seeing that with that, it's almost like you're nurturing your inner self, right? Be very patient with yourself at this time, because this is the moon card. Okay, there are unnecessary fears, unnecessary emotions coming up. You might be thinking some people are deceiving you, and all of this is going to clear up. This is all just your shadow self speaking. It is not the real you. All right, so be patient about yourself, and you are going to come out of this. Just take care of yourself at this time. Spirit, do you have anything else to add? Okay, I just got these cards. It says emotional withdrawal, firm foundation, accelerated motion, fulfillment of wishes, material harvest, and partnerships and alliances. Wow, this seems to be the next tier. Okay, so this comes in the first year, where you might be feeling emotionally withdrawn from people, from relationships, from connections at this time. Like I said, again, this person is kind of praying, this one is asking. So there is a sense of kind of wanting spirit guidance at this time, an ebb and flow of emotions. All of those things might be happening to you guys at this time, and there's just this feeling of not feeling that up to the mark at this time, right? But what's coming up after this clarity, after this period, is a firm foundation, right? Accelerated motion, fulfillment of wishes, material harvest, and partnerships and alliances. And this is like, once this is a reward for you doing all of your shadow work. All right, so you are going to feel on firmer foundation, right? You are going to be feeling so much more steady, I'm hearing, to go forward in life, to conquer certain goals of yours, and to reach the peak, right? You are going to be feeling much more solid and grounded. Things are going to also start accelerating now, okay, in your life, I'm seeing. Okay, it's almost like I'm seeing that some of you might even have seen some stars, falling stars or something like that. But this is the Eight of Wands, so I'm seeing that there might be an acceleration of sorts towards your goals. Maybe there might be some sort of with this trio here, I feel there might be some sort of wish fulfillment coming in for you guys in terms of some sort of messages related to partnerships, right? Because here I'm seeing partnerships and alliances. It could be like a romantic partnership, or it could be a platonic one, but there is some fulfillment of wishes that is coming to you guys, because immediately after 8 we have 9, right? And I do sense that this whole shadow work was to propel you into your wish fulfillment faster. All right, I'm also seeing that partnerships and alliances are going to be a focal point at this time. It could be with, like I said, platonic or romantic, as well as your material goals. There is going to be abundance coming in. So it's almost like, with this shadow work done, and I do sense that this shadow work has been going on for quite some time, perhaps 9 weeks, for some of you 9 months. I think with this shadow work going on, a lot of things were put on hold, and you were needing to be very patient with yourself, do a lot of introspection. But now what I'm getting is that once it's done, and it's very close to completion, this shadow work is very close to completion. You might have been feeling very off during this time, but with the completion of this shadow work, what's coming up is something very beautiful, guys. Okay, it is acceleration towards your abundance, whether it is it is material, spiritual. There is an acceleration towards the fulfillment of your wishes, right? This is 9 of Cups. You are going to get the fulfillment of your wishes in one way or another. Some wish of yours is coming close to completion, and it's going to happen very fast, guys. It's going to be very unexpected and very fast. For some of you, it could be hearing from someone that you've wanted to hear from for a very long time. And for some of you, you would be making partnerships that are very lasting and very solid. And for some of you, I feel it is like material abundance, meaning money and a strong foundation. Bottom of the deck, we have recognition and reward, which means that you are going to be recognized for something. For some of you, it might be a promotion coming up. For some of you, it might be some sort of recognition, some sort of, someone praising you for your efforts. You are going to be receiving some sort of applause here, is what I'm seeing. All right, and with the throat chakra here, once again, I pair it up with the 8 of, this was at the top of the deck, so with the 8 of wands here, accelerated motion and throat chakra, some communication coming in, which might be the fulfillment of your wishes, right? So, perhaps you have been waiting for a message from someone and that's coming up. And yeah, I think I pretty much see very, very good stuff coming up for you guys once, all of this shadow work of yours is done, right? So hang in there, guys. This is something that is in store for you. So do not give up right now. You might be feeling really, really out of funk right now, but it's going to go away soon. And I do sense that this shadow work, this feeling of being off, has been going on for some time now. But it's time to sort of, step up now. It's time for you to receive. It's time for you to receive your rewards, is what I'm hearing from spirit. So this is what the general collective message was for today, and I'm going to be doing this more often. All right, I hope that this helps. Thanks so much, guys. Bye bye.